Which bird drinks only rainwater? Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Education. So let's find out. It is Jacobin crested cuckoo or pied crested cuckoo from the cuckoo family, which drinks only rainwater that drops. It does not drink even the collected rainwater. It keeps gazing at the sky and make a loud, sweet voice calling rain lord to pour. It is called chatak or papaya by the villagers in central India and North India. There is a mention of this beautiful bird papaya in Kalidasa Meghdutta and its beautiful singing before the rains. Like an ancient quail, it does not make a nest and lay eggs in crow's nest. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.